Hey everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of pet care with a product that's making waves. The natural flea and tick prevention chewables for dogs by Avid Paws. If you're a pet owner like me, you know how important it is to keep our furry friends safe from pesky critters. Stick around as we explore why these chewables might just be the best tick prevention solution out there. Let's kick things off with what sets these chewables apart. Made with natural ingredients like flax seed meal, coriander, neem, and essential vitamins. These soft chews not only target fleas and ticks but also support your dog's overall health. Whether you have a small, medium, or large breed, these chews are tailored to fit all life stages, which is a huge plus for multi-dog households. The Avid Paws chewables are designed for ease of use. No messy applications or strong odors here, just tasty duck-flavored chews that your dog will love. And with the convenience of a chewable format, it's hassle-free to administer, making it a stress-free experience for both you and your pet. Now, let's talk effectiveness. These chews not only repel fleas and ticks but also provide lasting protection. The blend of natural ingredients not only helps in pest prevention but also supports a healthy coat and skin. Plus, they're formulated to be gentle yet effective, so you can rest assured that your dog is getting the care they deserve without any harsh chemicals. Marketed as the #1 new release in dog flea drops, it's clear that pet owners are loving these chewables. With over 1,000 units sold last month alone, it's no surprise they're gaining popularity. And with a price point that's competitive for the quality and quantity you get, it's a solid investment in your pet's well-being. Compared to topical treatments or collars, these chewables offer a unique advantage. They're easy to administer, non-greasy, and provide comprehensive protection. While other methods might require reapplication or may not be suitable for all dog breeds, these chews stand out for their versatility and efficacy. Wrapping up, if you're looking for a reliable, natural solution to protect your dog from fleas and ticks, look no further than the natural flea and tick prevention chewables by Avid Paws. They're convenient, effective, and backed by positive reviews from pet owners just like you. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more insights on the latest products. Have you tried these chewables before? Share your experience in the comments below. Until next time, take care and keep those tails wagging.